In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert code in Squarespace, which is a simple yet effective way to customize your website and make it truly one of a kind. No matter your experience level with web design, by the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident in adding custom code blocks to your Squarespace site. Let's start by navigating to Squarespace. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the Get Started button. This is typically found on the main page of Squarespace and is a necessary step if you're just beginning your journey with building or customizing a site on this platform. If you already have a site, this button will help guide you to your existing projects. Next, you'll find yourself directed to the main dashboard. Here, you'll see an array of options and tools at your disposal for site management. To begin editing your site, simply click on Edit Site. This button is usually quite prominent on your dashboard, and it grants you access to make the changes you need. This is where the magic truly begins. Now, it's time to navigate to the particular page on your site where you'd like to add a code block. Select the appropriate page from your navigation menu or your Pages menu within the editor. It's crucial to make sure you are on the correct page, as this determines where your custom code will function and appear. Once you're on the desired page, you're ready to add a new code block. Look for the option to +Add block and click it. From a list of options, select Code. Clicking on Code opens up a new window specifically designed for inputting your custom code. When the code block has been successfully added, a new block will appear, showing the outcome of the code. You may want to see how the code impacts the page immediately. To access the coding field, simply double-click on the space within this new block. This action brings up the coding field where you will input your desired code. It provides a clear interface for coding directly on the page you're working with. After inputting your code, you'll notice how the page updates in real time with the changes reflected right away. Once you're satisfied with your coding changes and ensure everything looks just the way you want, click outside the coding field to exit it. This closes the editor and brings you back to the main editing screen. And finally, one of the most important steps, don't forget to click Save. By saving your changes, you ensure that your custom code is securely added to your site, and it's exactly how you envisioned. Hitting Save guarantees that all your efforts aren't lost, and your custom changes will be live on your site for all visitors to see. That's it. With these straightforward steps, you should now be able to insert code in Squarespace easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and remember, a little customization can go a long way in making your website uniquely yours.